Hey guys, Squirrely Code has finally risen from the dead. I found the time to record a few new videos and I also put together a new recording setup. If you look back here, you can see Athena, goddess of wisdom, who hopefully guides me through this course, and also a few pigs in my bookshelf, which is very important. And back here you can see amazing backlighting, so I've put together something a little bit more nice compared to the white blanket I had back a few months ago. Hopefully this increases the production value of the video slightly. Also, I added a new webcam which should record in full HD, which is also a little better than 720p. And yeah, that's the new recording setup. Beautiful, isn't it? Now in this course we're going to start quite easy with rather simple save game implementations like PlayerPrefs, which you can use to save games like Super Mario or Flappy Bird, so rather simple save games can be done with PlayerPrefs. However, as soon as you want to go a little deeper and want to save, for example, a strategy game like StarCraft 2, you'll have to think of something quite different, which is why we're also going to talk about more advanced save game implementations where we use Json and we even encrypt the save games. So if that sounds interesting to you, please join me over at Udemy, where we'll talk about this in more detail. Also, I added quite a few exercises so you can immediately try these new techniques. Now if that sounds interesting, visit me over at Udemy. You can find a link in the description below, and if you press this link you'll get a discount on the course. I'm going to release a few of the videos I did for this course for free here on YouTube within the next weeks. However, if you want to get the full experience, you should head over to Udemy. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm going to see you next week with the first video on save games and serialization.